What's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to never have to flip your lights on or off. Here we go. Today's sponsor. With Bonus VPN, you'll be able to change your region on your Netflix and watch all the shows you want. Check out the link down in the description below. All you need is one of these. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install it as well. Here we go. This is what you call an occupancy sensor. Basically, all this does is you can program it manually. You don't need any internet, don't need any smartphone or anything like that. It works by itself. As long as you hook it up like a switch, it doesn't even need a neutral. And basically, it'll just sense if you are inside a room. Motion sensors are built into it. You can also turn it on and off manually if you want to. So today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install it. Disclaimer, just to give you guys a warning, make sure to be careful on how you do this. This can cause electrocution. You can get sparks going as well and burn down your house. So make sure you have someone who is confident who will install it with you. First thing you need to do is locate the switch that you want to install it on and turn off that breaker. Once you flip the breaker, now you can go ahead and test the circuit by flipping the switch. Once you verified the power is off, now we can go ahead and install it. The tools you need today is pliers and also a screwdriver. The first step is to take off the cover. The second step is to take off the switch that you want to replace. Once you finish taking off the wires from the old switch, now we're gonna go ahead and separate the switch if they are connected just like mine. And then we're gonna go ahead and prep our wires and making sure that our wires are identified and putting it back to how we saw it. Now what we need to do now is install the new occupancy sensor. Make sure to start with attaching the ground wire first, and then the switch leg, and also the last thing you need to install is the hot. Now don't worry which one is the hot, which one is the switch leg. There's gonna be about 2 or 3 wires in here. So 2 wires are gonna be the power, which is coming from in and out, and then the 1 wire is gonna be the switch leg that goes to the load. The key idea here is the hot would be the power. The switch leg is the one that goes to the load slash light bulb. And the ground is obviously the bare wire slash green wire. Once you've done all that, now you can go ahead and smash all the wires inside, making sure nothing is getting pinched or getting crushed slash or cut from the sides of the box. Just work your way in, slow it down, making sure that it fits very well. Once you've done all that, now you can go ahead and put on the 2 screws that it came with it to attach it back to the box. Pro tip, make sure to not tighten it all the way in just yet. Make sure to align the Decora covers on 2 of the switch, making sure that it works before you tighten it all the way. Once you verify that it works, then you can go ahead and tighten it all the way. Now the next step is to program it. Now what you need to do is to hold the side button, and once it blinks once, you can now take off your hand from the button, and now that would tell us that the sensor is now in occupancy mode. Now we can put the cover back on. Once you're all done, do the final step and turn on that breaker. Now with occupancy sensors, you will never have to leave your lights on ever again. If you ever have to leave your bathroom or come into your bathroom, it'll automatically turn on and turn off. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial that I have for occupancy sensors and how to install it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Comment below what I can improve on and share this to your friends. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!